I love visiting New Orleans. My favorite part has to be the history, also the good food. At night, the city comes to life with music and so much fun. Today we are traveling to head to a 5-day cruise, but for now, welcome to New Orleans. YouTube gang, what's good? It's your boy Will, back in the building. Me and the wife just got here to New Orleans. Right now we just got to our hotel. It's a boutique hotel. It's called the Mercantile. I never heard of it before, but it is really dope. It's very historic. It has like these nice brick walls. It's really jazzy, as you guys may know. This room is amazing, man. So you know we have to do a room tour. Room tour is a must. But first of all, check this out, man. I haven't seen record player in a long little minute, and they literally got a record player right here. I think it's a really dope touch to the hotel in general. It has a nice little pillow. It says something in French.
A little François.
That right there. What else they got going on? They got this little an ottoman slash table. They got this little kitchenette, coffee on deck. You know what I mean? Refrigerator, microwave. I really love this bathroom with these, what's the name of it? Shutter window. What type of windows is this, babe? What's it called?
Like kind of like barn type.
Yeah, it's the New Orleans thing, man. It's dope. Got a shower right here, real quick, one time. Bathroom is pretty dope as well. TV on the wall, probably like a 42, 36. Here is the king size bed. This is where the magic happens, y'all. I like this little boutique dresser right here. But this is a nice little feng shui. Also, man, I haven't been to many hotels that have robes or really paid attention. But there is a Mercantile robe. We should start a new thing on this channel where we try on robes at hotels and dance. What do you guys say to that? Somebody drop the beat. Let's go.
Can you feel the trembling? Can you feel the room? So tell me, are you
That kind of hurt a little bit. But yeah, really dope hotel. But anyways, man, just starting the vlog, just getting to New Orleans. But right now, you already know, New Orleans, we got to go to Bourbon Street. Got to go get some drinks. We have a family member who is also in town with us today. We're actually going on a Carnival cruise. Sorry, I'm out of breath. Actually going on a Carnival cruise tomorrow. 5-day cruise. Really dope. Subscribe if you're not already. New Orleans 2019. Nevius family, Nevius gang. Let's go.
They said a dream is just a dream, but promise me you won't forget to dream me up where we're supposed to be. The world's gone dark, but I want you to be light. Let's go to the stars and you'll find me dreaming a little bit bigger willingly. Still afraid, but daring to be all I wanted to be.
Hey, where you at, babe?
Let's sit on the moon and tell them we'll be back soon with the sun. So let's dream on. Run away with the words to the song. Let's dream on. Just dream on. start. I'll be back with the sun.
Alright, gang, we had such a great time. Recap, we went to like a little chicken shack. We got us those frozen drinks, really good. We got what was it called, a suicide, and they mixed like 5 different flavors of that frozen drink. Bust down, it was real good. Oh, we went to that same spot we went to before. It's called the Gumbo Shop. I had me a shrimp po' boy. That thing was so delicious. Like, it was really good. Toya had chicken gumbo. I tasted it. It was alright. Nah, it was real good. I tasted it. It was really good.
Chicken and sausage.
Oh, chicken and sausage. Excuse me. Oh, after that, we went down to Bourbon, bro. It was super lit. It was really lit out there. We stopped down in a club. Oh, really weird. We on Bourbon Street. This girl was selling like shots or whatever. And yeah, I think you seen the clip. It was a little weird, but it was a really great time. Bourbon is such a great time. I highly recommend you guys definitely visit New Orleans. And yeah, check out the Gumbo Shop, Bourbon Street, of course, and French Market, the whole 9. Anyways, man, we are about to embark on a 5-day cruise, leaving today, the Carnival Valor. Anyways, man, this hotel is freaking dope, man. I was playing last night a record, but we are super excited, man. About to embark. We out going to Mexico. 5-day cruise. I don't know why I just clapped, but 5-day cruise. We in there. So much fun in New Orleans. But New Orleans, it's time to go. It was fun. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to leave us a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. If you have not already, hit the bell. Hit the bell to get notified when we post new videos. And we will catch you guys next week. And we will catch you guys next time in our next video. Deuces.